Rocket your sales with the ultimate knockout technique of mastering lead management. This video is your go-to resource for delivering value and closing a more significant proportion of deals than ever. This PowerPoint presentation is packed with the most effective lead management processes you need to know. From lead capturing to tracking, nurturing, and beyond, this presentation leaves no stone unturned in providing in-depth insights into each step. Unleash your lead generation potential as this presentation unravels the secrets behind content marketing, brand partnerships, and event networking. All cutting-edge sales and marketing channels are also covered. If you want to access this training module to build a top-notch sales team, download this presentation from the given link. It clarifies the confusion surrounding B2B and B2C lead generation with insights from experts with decades of experience. We give you implementable ideas and critical tips to ace all your deals. This PPT deck unveils complex diagrams illustrating diverse lead flow sources, offline and online. The ultimate aim: delivering a holistic understanding to you and your team. Uncover the power of funnel diagrams to streamline lead filtering, accompanied by actionable tactics such as lead scoring, retargeting, multi-channel lead nurturing, and more. Prepare to optimize your lead management strategy and achieve exceptional results. Deliver exceptional training on lead generation management with this comprehensive PPT deck. Download it from the given link. Gain in-depth knowledge of inbound and outbound lead generation, understanding their nuances and differences to empower informed decision-making. Effective strategies are the key result. Looking for more? This presentation goes the extra mile by offering a dynamic dashboard that provides a real-time overview of crucial metrics and performance indicators about your lead generation efforts. For more popular content-ready resources, visit www.slideteam.net.